Hi, I'm Jason. If you manage a door-to-door sales team, you already know that one of the biggest challenges isn't selling, it's managing the people that are doing the selling. Maybe you're trying to figure out who showed up for work today, which neighborhoods are they supposed to cover, and did they actually start canvassing, which houses have already been visited, and did they collect enough information from potential customers, and how many hours did everyone actually work. When you only have 2 or 3 reps, it's manageable. But once your team start growing, managing everything through phone calls, spreadsheets, and WhatsApp quickly becomes overwhelming. That's where Connecteam comes in. Now, before we get started, I want to clear up one important point. Connecteam is not a CRM. It's not designed to replace softwares where you manage leads, quotes, contracts, or your sales pipeline. Instead, Connecteam helps you manage your employees. Think of it as your field operations platform. It helps you schedule your reps, track their time, communicate with your team, complete digital forms, assign tasks, and organize your day-to-day operations. So, in this tutorial, I'm going to be showing you exactly how I would set up Connecteam if I were managing a door-to-door sales company. Here's what we'll be building: morning schedule, sales rep assigned territory, GPS clocking, door-to-door canvassing, lead collection form, photos or notes, and manager reviews activity, and payroll-ready timesheets. I've also included a link to Connecteam in the pinned comment and description that you can use to sign up for free and test out the platform. Now let's dive into the tutorial. Once you have tapped the link in the description, you'll be redirected to Connecteam's homepage. From there, you can tap on Start 14-day free trial and you can sign up using your email address. After you're signed up, you'll be redirected to your dashboard. In your dashboard, the first thing you want to do is add in your company information. So you're going to tap where you see my icon in the top right hand corner, and you're just going to tap on Settings. After you have selected Settings, from there you can fill in your company name, company address, and you can also go over to the left hand menu option, select Logo, and from here you could upload your company logo and company information in this section. After you have done that, you want to invite your sales rep. To invite your sales rep, you're going to select Users. After you have selected Users, you're going to tap on Add Users. From here, you can choose to, for example, share a QR code that they can scan, or you can simply tap on Add Manually. And after you have selected Add Manually, you could fill in their first, last name, mobile number, and also their birthday and employment start date. So you can quickly fill in that information. Then you're going to tap on Confirm at the bottom right here, and you'll be able to send out an invite. So there are numerous options how you can do that. Once they have received that invitation, from there they'll either receive it via email or text message, and once they install the Connecteam app, they're ready to receive schedules, announcements, tasks, and forms directly on their phone. Now let's create our employees. After you have added the employees, what I want you to do is you're just going to tap on their individual name once they have been added. After you have tapped on their name, from there you'll see all of the information as you can see right here. And you can fill in, for example, their position. You can add in their position right there. And you can also scroll down, you can add in their title and so on. And also by tapping on activity, you'll be able to monitor the work that they have done. You can also add notes. So for example, you can add a particular note about a particular employee. You can also manage your timeline. You can view pay slips. You can upload their pay slip. This is where you'll be able to monitor all of the information. And if it's a case that you would like to, for example, send a message to the employee, you can do that by selecting text message right there. So you have numerous options that you can select from. And when it comes onto groups, you can also create different groups. So you can tap on Smart Groups from the left hand menu option. And with this feature, you'll be able to put them into specific groups, whether that be based on location or based on qualification. You have numerous options that you can choose from. Now, after you have done that, let's assign sales territories. So let's imagine tomorrow workday. Instead of sending multiple text messages, you'll create schedules inside Connecteam. To set this up, you'll go over to the left-hand menu option and you're going to select Schedule. After you have selected Schedule, what I want you to do is tap right where you see Location List. And from here, you're going to add in the location that they'll be assigned. So you're going to tap on Create New. You can give the location a name. Then from here, you can add in the address. After you have added in the address, you're going to tap on save. Now that you have done that, it is now time to create your schedule. To create a schedule, you're going to tap on add new, and you're going to tap on single shift for example sake. And then from there, you'll now be able to create the schedule. You can choose the location that you'll assign them to. After you have chosen the location, you'll see the address pop up right here. So for example, if I were to select this location right here, you'll see that the address automatically pops up. After you have done that, you can choose the sales rep that you would like to assign that particular location to. So you can choose the sales rep right there. Then after you have done that, you can choose the date. So for example, I'll be assigning them this location, for example, the 28th. You can choose the start time and end time. Scrolling down, you can also, for example, if you have any particular task that you like them to do, you can add it right there. Then you're going to select publish. Once you have selected publish, they are going to automatically receive a notification on the Connecteam app, and they'll also receive an email address. For example, you can see right here, Connecteam email, and you'll automatically receive that you have been assigned a shift, as you can see right there. So that's how it works. So you'll simply tap on publish, and they're going to receive that notification. After you have done that, what I want you to do next, you'll be able to monitor them via GPS clock in. So you're going to go over to the left-hand menu option, and you're going to select time clock. And with GPS time clock, imagine Jason arrives in Northward Estates, for example. Instead of texting "I am here," he opens Connecteam and taps clock in. Then the app records time, GPS location, employee, and shift. Management can now verify that Jason started working in the correct area. Some companies also choose to enable geofencing, allowing employees to clock in only when they are inside an approved work area. So to set this up, if you would like to enable geofencing, so this is where you'll be able to monitor the location of each employee. So you can simply select the employee. After you have selected the employee, from there you'll be able to see when they have clocked in. You'll be able to see all of the information, as you can see right here. Now, if it is a case that you would like to enable or disable geofencing, you can also do that. You can tap on add geofence sites right here, or you can tap on add a geofence. That's how you'll be able to set it up. Now, this provides much better accountability for field teams. Now, let's build something every door-to-door company needs: a lead collection form. Instead of writing notes on paper, every sales rep collects the same digital form. So to create your digital form, you're going to tap on add new. Then from there, you're going to select forms. So you'll simply select forms. You can tap on all, and you'll be able to select forms right here. After you have added forms, you'll be redirected to a page just like this. From here, you're going to tap on add new, and you can choose to create using AI, or you can choose to customize a template, or you can choose to start from scratch. Let's say I were to select a template in this example. After you have selected the template, for example, let's say this one, you'll be able to add in, for example, customer name, address, phone number, email, interested product, homeowner, and all of the necessary information. So I'll tap on select this template, then I could customize it. And if it doesn't have a question that I would like to require, I can simply tap on add field. For example, let's say I want them to upload images once they're finished. I could select image upload. So sometimes your sales rep need to document what they found. For example, roof condition, electrical meter, or current equipment, or front of property. They can do that. You can simply tap on image upload, and I could call this field photo. Then I could select required, and I'll tap on confirm. Once I've done that, they can scroll down and you'll see the photo section where they can upload it. So instead of sending pictures through WhatsApp, employees upload them directly through the form. Now managers can review everything from one location. Now let's talk about daily tasks. Not every day is just knocking on doors. Sometimes reps need reminders. Examples include attend morning meeting, collect marketing flyers, and wear new uniform. So you can do this by simply going over to the left-hand menu option. You can use the task feature. So I'll simply tap on confirm right here, and it will send out that care list. To access the task feature, you'll go over to the left-hand menu option, select operations. Then from there, you can tap on add quick tasks, as you can see right here. So using tasks helps everyone stay organized throughout the day. And also, you can use their communication feature, as communication is one of the biggest challenges for field sales team. To use the communication feature, you're going to simply tap on chat, and from there you'll be able to access it. So for example, you'll be able to message an individual team member, or you can choose to message a group. You have numerous options and you'll be able to see when someone has read your message, and you can also share documents. Now, when it comes on to training new sales rep, as door-to-door companies often hire frequently, instead of repeating the same onboarding every week, you can create training inside Connecteam. To access this feature, you'll tap on Add New. Then from there, you're just going to select Onboarding. And you can create training, for example, company overview, sales script, product knowledge, handling objections, and so on. So from now on, new reps can complete this training directly from their phones before heading into the field. Managers can also see who has completed the required training. And when it comes on to storing sales document, as sales reps often need quick access to documents, for example, product brochures, price sheets, promotions, and warranty information. You can set this up by selecting documents from the left-hand menu option, and you'll be able to add in your documents right there. Now, this is good because instead of asking someone in the office to send the latest version, everything can be stored inside Connecteam. Something changes, for example, you update it once and everyone automatically sees the newest version. Now that I've shown you the ins and out of Connecteam, let's check out the pricing. With Connecteam, while you can get started for free and you'll be able to add up to 10 users, if you have a larger sales team than that, you can go onto, for example, their basic plan. And with the basic plan, you can see that you'll be able to add up to 30 users, and it will only cost $29. If you have an even larger team, you could go onto, for example, the advanced plan, and you can see right there the costing. It will be $1.50 per month for each additional user after 30. So you have different options that you can choose from, and you'll be able to access even more features when it comes on to these plans. That's basically it. I hope you found this tutorial helpful and informative. If you did, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe.